When unauthorized drones approach critical areas, relying on manual visual scanning is often too late. The first step of a drone defense system is to detect anomalous signals through methods such as spectrum analysis and radio direction finding. Upon detecting a target, the platform automatically triggers an alarm and displays the direction of the drone intrusion as well as target information. Some detection devices can also acquire the drone's position, altitude, speed, direction, model, serial number, and the pilot's location. When a drone enters the protected zone, the system can activate countermeasures to jam and neutralize unauthorized drones. The objective of countermeasures is not destruction, but rather to compel the drone to return to base, land, or exit the key defense zone. The entire process also generates logs and historical data, facilitating subsequent querying, statistical analysis, and post-mortem reviews. From detection and alerting to countermeasures and recording constitutes the low-altitude protection closed loop of a drone defense system.